Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to upload files to Google Drive and share them using a link. Whether it's a document, photo, or video, we will walk you through the steps to do it quickly and securely. Let's get started. On your Google Drive dashboard, click the New button. We will upload a file as an example. Let's select this file to upload. Let's wait for the upload to finish. Once the tick appears, the file is uploaded. As you can see, our Google Maps picture is now available in the drive. We right-click on the file, then click Share, and then click Share again. To share this with anyone, we need to click this option to change the access from restricted to anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link, and click Done. Now we can share that link with anyone who needs access. Let's confirm the link works. We right-click and paste the link into the browser. As you can see, they are taken straight to the file. That's how we upload a file and share it using a link in Google Drive. We can now collaborate and send files easily without worrying about large email attachments.